So now, in consciousness itself, the song arose. Consciousness itself is the background that projects light on itself. Yeah? For example, this computer screen where you are watching me right now. Yeah? It is one single screen. In today's day and age, technology has advanced to a point where it is just one single screen, which is the projector and the projection. Are you seeing this? Both are one. But if you go to our regular projector and white screen that we use in class, there is two. There is the projector, which is sitting on the table, and there is the white projection screen. Here in this computer, both are combined together. Are you seeing this? Yes, very waking world example. Exactly like that. The consciousness is the projector as well as the projecting screen, as well as the images on the screen. All of it, it is a singleness, oneness. Automatically the projection starts. There is no doer. Yeah. So just recognize, if in your honesty you recognize the song just started. There was a song without a singer. Yeah. Just this recognition, a song without a singer is an eerie feeling. That eerie feeling is the restlessness of consciousness which has become finite in this body mind. It does not like that eerie feeling. Oh, a song without a singer. No, I am the singer. Do you see where the I thought stems from? It stems from a restlessness. A restlessness that arises from seeing the truth. So it is not that you don't see the truth. You see the truth and you choose to ignore it because it is eerie. Are you getting what I am saying? Yeah. Similarly, an angry thought, yeah, without the person there is an eerie feeling. Yeah, that's why you jump in and you say, I am angry. Yeah. I spoke these words. I am the one saying he did this, she did this. Yeah. And then you converse with yourself. You fight with yourself for some time. That's the second phase. And then there is the third phase where you're so tired of fighting, you let go, but it still continues automatically. You don't want to fight now. You're done. You fought enough for 30, 40 minutes, realize that you've wasted precious office time and you have a backlog at work. You start working, but it is going on like background music. And suddenly, boof, it vanishes. Yes? So please apply now to more personal examples. I'm just giving you 2 examples here. What Atmananda is saying, this consciousness screen is the projector, the projection screen, as well as the projected images. It is all one. It jumps between roles. It wears one hat first, removes that hat. In the second phase, wears the hat of the I thought, removes that hat, and again in the third phase, wears the same hat as the previous one, the background. Yeah? It is like a joker that changes its hats.